Hi, I'm Jerry with Brooklyn Billy's Real Estate Club, where we design, build, and live. Welcome to one of my custom homes. We're here in Middle River, Maryland, where we have the Long Island, one of our custom built homes. Follow me. Here we have a single family home. It's one level with a full basement. This is the front of the house, and we're gonna walk through the garage area. We have a 3-car garage here, high ceilings. The client wanted to be able to put car bays in here so he can fix his cars in the future. So we have very high ceilings here in the garage area. From the garage area, we're gonna walk in, and which will be in the kitchen area. So here you'll have your kitchen. We'll have our sink here. It'll be an open island here, table here. So in this home, we have 3 bedrooms with office, and we'll have a full basement. Here we'll be putting another wall here. This is the indoor-outdoor patio, concrete patio. Sliding doors will go here. So you're walking through the master bathroom actually right now. Here's another closet. All this is your living space, your living room area space. Again, we'll be putting up another wall for the 2nd bedroom. We have Jack and Jill bathrooms. This is a bathroom in which the 2 bedrooms will share. This is our office area and the front of the house again. So yeah. One of the things I'm really excited about is this indoor-outdoor concrete patio. My customer is from Honduras, and he's big into his cooking. So this indoor-outdoor patio is gonna represent something to make him feel like he's at home, where he'll be able to grill his carne asada, as he always says. This home is located in Middle River, Maryland. It's on 1 acre of land. It's 2,500 square feet. Single level, and it's going to be a finished basement of 1,500 square feet additional. So it's going to be a pretty massive house, although it's on 1 level. Follow me into the basement. Okay, as you come into the basement now, this is going to be a kitchen area. We'll have a bathroom over here, laundry area. We'll walk through this room here, in which it'll be used for a jacuzzi back there. Oh, no, I'm sorry, a fitness center, fitness back there. And I believe the jacuzzi will be in this area here. All of this is more open space for entertainment and leisure, which will be pool tables, arcade, video games, and things of that nature, movie theater room. So that's the space that'll be utilized here. And this is our basement. We did all of the foundation, the infrastructure work, plumbing, gas, you name it, we did it all. Concrete work, the framing. So we have a pretty big basement here, in which will be additional space to the upper level. So at Brooklyn Billy's Real Estate Club, we design, we start with your idea, we get it down on paper, and then we bring it to life. The building process, where we could either help you pull your permits, or we could actually build your home for you. The live aspect of our business is where we have exclusive listings of our properties, either for sale or for rent. That was good. If you'd like to work with Brooklyn Billy's Real Estate Club, you can contact us via email at support at brooklynbillies.com or via web at www.brooklynbillies.com.